This is the Rogue Wood Rings, and on paper, they look like one of the simplest fitness tools you can buy. No screens, no apps, no batteries. But here's the thing. After training with these for a couple of weeks, I realized they quietly expose every weakness you have. Your grip, your shoulders, your core, nothing hides. So the big question is, are these just overpriced wooden circles or one of the smartest investments you can make for real-world strength? Rogue Wood Rings Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at here? These are the Rogue Wood Rings, made by Rogue Fitness, a brand that's basically synonymous with serious gyms and CrossFit boxes. These rings are designed primarily for bodyweight training. Think pull-ups, dips, rows, muscle-ups, and full gymnastic-style movements. They're made from solid birch wood, paired with heavy-duty nylon straps and metal cam buckles. No plastic, no gimmicks. Rogue's pitch is simple. Competition-grade rings that feel better in the hands and last for years. These are aimed squarely at home gym owners, CrossFit athletes, calisthenics fans, and anyone who wants brutally honest strength training. Rogue Wood Rings Performance. Okay, specs aside, how do these actually feel to use? Here's the thing, training on rings is humbling. The first time I hung these up and jumped into a basic ring row, I immediately felt muscles working that barbells never touch. Because the rings move independently, every rep forces your stabilizers to fire. Grip is the standout here. The wooden surface feels warm, slightly textured, and far less slippery than plastic or metal rings. When your palms get sweaty during pull-ups or false grip work, the wood actually helps instead of working against you. I used these for everything: strict pull-ups, ring dips, push-ups, L-sits, and even slow-tempo rows. There's no flex in the rings themselves, and the straps hold position perfectly once set. No unexpected slipping, no micro-adjustments mid-set. You forget about the equipment and just focus on surviving the workout. And honestly, that's the highest compliment I can give. Features and tech. Let's talk about what makes these special, because despite how simple they look, there's some real thought behind them. First up, the birchwood construction. Wood isn't just an aesthetic choice, it's naturally grippy, which means less chalk and less strain on your forearms. Long sessions feel noticeably easier on the hands compared to plastic or metal rings, especially for high-rep workouts. Second, the strap and buckle system. Rogue uses thick nylon straps with numbered length markings. That sounds small, but it's huge in real life. You can set both rings to exactly the same height in seconds, which is critical for dips, push-ups, and muscle-up training. Third, competition standard sizing. These match FIG gymnastic specs, meaning if you're training skills seriously, what you practice here translates directly to competition-style setups. And finally, zero distractions. No app, no setup headaches. You throw them over a pull-up bar, rack, or tree branch, and you're training in under 2 minutes. Design and build. Aesthetically, Rogue nailed it. The natural wood finish looks clean, minimal, and very serious gym. But more importantly, the build quality is excellent. The rings feel solid with no rough edges or weak points. The straps are thick and confidence-inspiring, and the metal cam buckles lock down hard. Once you set the height, it stays there, even during aggressive kipping movements. In the hands, these feel premium in a way plastic never does. They're light enough to travel with, but tough enough that you're never worried about failure mid-set. This is gear designed to be abused and keep coming back for more. Pros: exceptional grip thanks to real wood construction. Rock-solid straps and buckles with easy height adjustment. Competition standard sizing for serious training. Cons: wood requires a little care if used outdoors. Not beginner-friendly if you lack shoulder stability. Final verdict. So is the Rogue Wood Rings worth your hard-earned cash? Look, if you're serious about bodyweight training, CrossFit, calisthenics, or building real, functional strength, these are an absolute no-brainer. They're simple, brutally effective, and feel amazing to use. This is equipment that grows with you as you get stronger. But if you're a total beginner who just wants casual workouts, or you prefer machines that guide your movement, rings might feel frustrating at first. They demand patience and control.